Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something every embroiderer needs to know, how to maintain and clean your embroidery machine like a pro. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your machine running smoothly and to ensure that every stitch looks perfect. I'll walk you through some essential cleaning steps, share maintenance tips, and give you my top advice for keeping your machine in tip-top shape. Let's dive in. Number 1, importance of regular maintenance. First, let's talk about why regular maintenance is so important. When your machine is well maintained, it runs smoother, lasts longer, and produces higher quality stitches. Dust, lint, and fabric particles can build up in the machine, affecting both its performance and your designs. Cleaning it regularly prevents thread breakage, skipped stitches, and tension problems, which means your embroidery projects turn out looking clean and professional. Number 2, tools you'll need for cleaning. Before we get started, here's a quick checklist of tools you'll need for cleaning your embroidery machine. Number 1, a small brush like a lint brush or a makeup brush to get into tiny crevices. Number 2, tweezers for removing loose threads and tiny fabric particles. Number 3, a can of compressed air. Be careful with this, don't spray it directly inside the machine. Number 4, sewing machine oil, which is safe for most embroidery machines. Number 5, soft lint-free cloths. Having the right tools will make the cleaning process easier and more effective. Number 3, step-by-step cleaning process. Now let's get into the cleaning steps. Number 1, turn off and unplug the machine safety first. Make sure the machine is turned off and unplugged to avoid accidents. Number 2, remove the needle and presser foot. Take out the needle and presser foot to give you better access to the inner parts of the machine. Number 3, brush out lint and dust. Use your brush to gently clean out lint and dust from around the bobbin area and feed dogs. Be careful not to push debris further into the machine. Number 4, clean the bobbin area. Remove the bobbin and clean around the bobbin case and under the needle plate. These areas often collect a lot of dust. Number 5, schedule professional servicing. Even with regular cleaning, a professional tune-up every 2 years keeps your machine calibrated and can catch any issues early. Number 5, troubleshooting common issues. If you're still experiencing issues like skipped stitches or tension problems, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Number 1, check the thread path. Make sure the thread is correctly threaded and not tangled. Number 2, rethread the bobbin. An incorrectly threaded bobbin can cause tension issues and looping. Number 3, adjust the tension. Tension issues can often be resolved by adjusting the top thread or bobbin tension slightly. Thanks for watching. I hope these cleaning and maintenance tips help keep your embroidery machine running smoothly for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more embroidery tutorials and machine care tips. Remember, regular maintenance is key to producing beautiful designs with every stitch.